Congratulations! You've just welcomed a tiny human into your world. As you navigate these early days, you might find yourself wondering what you can do to support your little one's development. Rest assured, you are your baby's first and most important teacher. Every interaction, every cuddle, every moment you share contributes to their growing brain. In this video, we'll explore simple yet powerful activities to help your newborn thrive in these precious first 3 months. Have you ever wondered what the world looks like through your newborn's eyes? Imagine a world of fuzzy shapes, muted colors, and sounds just beginning to come into focus. Newborns are still developing their senses, drawn to high-contrast images and faces. Every interaction, sound, and touch provides valuable stimulation that lays the foundation for their future learning and development. One of the simplest yet most profound ways to engage your newborn is through face-to-face interaction. Hold your baby close and let them gaze at your face. Babies are born with an innate preference for faces, captivated by the contrast of your eyes, nose, and mouth. This close-up interaction isn't just about bonding, it's a powerful brain-building activity. As your baby studies your face, they develop crucial visual and perceptual abilities. Have you noticed your newborn trying to imitate your facial expressions? They might stick out their tongue or open and close their mouth. This mirroring behavior demonstrates their growing ability to observe, process, and respond to social cues. As you engage in this face-to-face play, remember to talk to your baby. Your voice provides a comforting auditory anchor and stimulates their developing brain. Narrate what you're doing, sing a song, or simply tell them how much you love them. While face-to-face time is incredibly beneficial, don't be afraid to get creative. Try holding your baby in different positions to provide new perspectives. Introduce a small, safe mirror for your baby to gaze at, helping them develop self-awareness. Cherish these moments of face-to-face connection, laying the foundation for a lifetime of learning and love. As your baby grows, they'll naturally want to explore their newfound mobility. Lay your baby down on a soft blanket or play mat on the floor. This gives them the space they need to stretch, kick their legs, and wave their arms without restrictions. This activity plays a crucial role in developing your baby's spatial awareness. As they move their limbs, they begin to understand where their body is in space. They're experimenting with cause and effect, learning that their actions have consequences. Each movement contributes to their growing understanding of their physical capabilities and their place in the world. While your baby is enjoying their freedom of movement, encourage them to engage their senses by placing a few toys within their reach. Rattles, soft toys with different textures, or even household objects like wooden spoons can provide endless fascination. This sensory exploration is their way of gathering information about the world around them. They're learning about different shapes, sizes, textures, and even temperatures. Just be sure to supervise closely and provide only safe, clean objects. As they explore, narrate their discoveries. Your words help them connect the sensory experiences with language and understanding. As your baby becomes more mobile, it's essential to create a safe and stimulating play area. Choose a soft, padded surface and remove any potential hazards. Consider adding a baby-safe mirror to the side of their play area. This dedicated play space is about creating a haven where your baby feels secure, stimulated, and free to explore. You might wonder if talking to a newborn who doesn't understand words is worthwhile. Rest assured, it's one of the most valuable gifts you can give your little one. From the moment they are born, babies are attuned to the rhythm and melody of human speech. Your voice, particularly your singing voice, holds a special allure, calming and soothing them. As you go about your day, make it a habit to narrate your actions and surroundings. Exposing your baby to a rich vocabulary and complex sentence structures can benefit their language development in the long run. Imagine you're giving your baby a guided tour of their world. As you move from room to room, point out familiar objects and describe their purpose. Engage all their senses by incorporating sounds, textures, and even smells into your descriptions. As you talk, vary your tone and pitch to keep your baby engaged. Use high-pitched sing-song voices for playful interactions and lower, soothing tones for moments of calm. Don't underestimate the power of repetition. Repeating words and phrases helps solidify them in your baby's developing memory. Just like hearing a favorite song over and over again, repetition is key. Beyond vocabulary and sentence structure, your voice conveys a world of emotions, intentions, and social cues. Your baby is learning to interpret these subtle nuances from the moment they are born. When you speak with love and tenderness, your baby feels safe and secure. When you laugh and express joy, your baby learns to associate those sounds with positive emotions. Babies are picking up on the emotional tone of your voice, laying the foundation for their own social and emotional development. Every word, every sound, every coo and gurgle is a stepping stone on their journey to becoming a confident and articulate communicator. As your baby's vision develops, they become increasingly drawn to high-contrast images. Think bold black and white patterns, geometric shapes, and simple faces with clearly defined features. High-contrast images provide the strong visual stimulation their brains crave. This helps to strengthen neural pathways responsible for visual acuity, tracking, and focus. You'll likely notice your baby's gaze lingering longer on these bold patterns, their eyes widening with curiosity. You don't need fancy toys or expensive equipment to introduce high-contrast visuals to your baby. Grab a piece of white paper and a black marker and let your inner artist emerge. Draw simple shapes like circles, squares, and triangles, or create your own patterns with stripes, zigzags, and swirls. Once you have your creations ready, tape them to the wall near your baby's changing mat or prop them up during tummy time. Another fun and easy option is to create a high-contrast mobile. Cut out different shapes from black and white cardstock, attach them to strings, and hang them from a hanger or embroidery hoop. Your baby will love watching the shapes sway and dance above them. As you introduce high-contrast visuals, remember to keep these tips in mind to maximize their effectiveness. Start with simple patterns and gradually introduce more complex designs as your baby's vision develops. Hold the images about 8 to 12 inches away from your baby's face. Move the images slowly from side to side, encouraging your baby to track the movement with their eyes. Observe your baby's cues and adjust the activity accordingly. By providing them with a visually stimulating environment, you're nurturing their curiosity and laying the foundation for a lifetime of visual exploration. Music has a unique ability to transcend language and touch the depths of our souls, and babies are no exception. From the moment they are born, they are immersed in a world of sound. As their auditory system develops, they begin to differentiate between these sounds, and music emerges as a powerful force in their sensory world. Research has shown that listening to music can have a positive impact on a baby's cognitive, emotional, and social development. It can soothe and calm them, stimulate their senses, and even enhance their language and communication skills. Embrace music as a valuable tool for bonding and creating a nurturing environment for your baby's growing mind. One of the most delightful ways to engage your baby with music is through movement. Gently sway, dance, or rock your baby to the rhythm of a song, allowing them to feel the beat in their body. This combination of music and movement is not just enjoyable, it's also incredibly beneficial for their development. It helps to develop their sense of rhythm, balance, and coordination. As they move their bodies to the music, they are also strengthening their muscles and improving their motor skills. Music and movement stimulate the brain's auditory and motor cortex, strengthening neural connections essential for language development and spatial reasoning. Think of it as a playful workout for their brain and body. Creating a musical environment for your baby doesn't require any special skills or expensive equipment. Start by incorporating music into your daily routines. Play gentle melodies during tummy time, sing lullabies at bedtime, or put on some upbeat tunes during playtime. Don't be afraid to expose your baby to a variety of musical genres: classical, jazz, folk, world music. As your baby grows, introduce them to musical toys: rattles, shakers, drums, xylophones. These toys encourage creativity, hand-eye coordination, and an early appreciation for the magic of music. Make music a natural and enjoyable part of your baby's life. From the moment they are born, babies are driven by an insatiable curiosity to explore the world around them. While their vision might be a bit blurry and their movements still uncoordinated, their sense of touch is remarkably developed. Every touch, every texture, every temperature variation sends a surge of sensory information to their developing brains. Think of their tiny hands as powerful sensory antennas, constantly scanning and interpreting the world through tactile exploration. As parents, we have an incredible opportunity to nurture this innate curiosity through simple yet engaging activities. Offer your baby a variety of textures to explore, letting them touch, squeeze, and rub these materials between their fingers. You don't need fancy toys or expensive equipment to create a stimulating sensory experience for your baby. In fact, some of the most engaging objects can be found right in your own home. Think about the different textures you encounter throughout your day: the smooth coolness of a metal spoon, the rough texture of a wooden hairbrush, the soft fuzziness of a cotton ball. Each of these ordinary objects can become a source of wonder and exploration for your little one. Gather a few safe and interesting objects and arrange them on a blanket or playmate. Sit with your baby and let them explore these treasures at their own pace. Encourage them to touch, shake, bang, and even mouth the objects, always supervising closely to ensure their safety. As they explore, describe the objects using simple words and phrases. "That's a smooth spoon. Can you feel how smooth it is?" Or, "This is a soft feather. It's light and fluffy." Your words will help them connect the tactile sensations with language and understanding, further enriching their sensory experience. As we've explored in this video, those first 3 months with your newborn are a truly magical time. It's a period of incredible growth and development, where every interaction, every touch, every sound shapes their growing brains. Embrace this special time, for it lays the foundation for a lifetime of learning and connection. Remember, you don't need fancy toys or elaborate activities to engage your newborn and stimulate their development. The simplest things, your loving gaze, your soothing voice, the feel of your touch, are the most powerful tools you have. Trust your instincts, follow your baby's cues, and most importantly, enjoy these precious moments. As you watch your little one grow and thrive, you'll be amazed by their capacity for learning and their eagerness to connect with you and the world around them. Every coo, every gurgle, every smile is a testament to the incredible bond you share and the profound impact you have on their development. Cherish these moments, for they pass all too quickly. As your baby approaches the 3-month mark, you'll likely notice them becoming more alert, engaged, and responsive. Their movements will become more coordinated, their vision clearer, and their babbling will take on new dimensions. It's an exciting time as they transition from those sleepy newborn days to a world of increasing exploration and discovery. The journey of supporting your baby's development doesn't end here. In fact, it's just the beginning. As they continue to grow and learn, be sure to stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll delve into age-appropriate activities and tips for nurturing their development throughout their first year and beyond. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. We're honored to be a part of your parenting journey and look forward to supporting you every step of the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Until next time, cherish those precious moments with your little ones. Happy parenting!